Hello, friends. Welcome to Kalsi Estate. My name is Kalsi. I'm a father of a wonderful son, husband of a caring woman, and I'm into industry from last 25 years. And I take my job as serving rather than selling. And I love giving plenty of free advice in real estate. So today's presentation is Swaroop Residency by Swaroop Developer at Ghatkopar East. So let's begin with the presentation. So friends, Swaroop Residency is a no-risk project. No-risk project is because this building is ready and it is OC has come for this building and this building is almost ready to occupy. That means OC is come, that means it's ready, fully ready flat, and you are getting a brand new developer's flat. It has a combination of 1 and 2 BHK flats. So this is Swaroop Residency, which is at Ghatkopar East by Swaroop Group. So this is the elevation of the building, which has 2 wings, and when you see over here, this is around 14 habitual floor and 2 levels of podium parking has been given below. So you can see the wonderful design of the building, and the biggest achievement over here is that the building is ready to occupy. There is no risk, just make the payment and you get the flat. So there is no GST charges also on this because the OC has been come. So only the stamp duty, registration and society development charges will be there. So very beautiful design of the building. And this is Swaroop Residency at Ghatkopar East. So Swaroop Group is into construction from last 49 years, and around 2 million square feet of resident and commercial space across Mumbai they have already developed. And these are some of the buildings which are I see over here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20, 24 projects they have already completed. So this is Swaroop developer, and they have completed so many projects right from Andheri to Andheri East, then Bandra East, Borivali East, then again Kandivali West, and many of the projects at Andheri East, and now this is at Ghatkopar East. So many projects they have completed, and this is Swaroop Residency developed by Swaroop Group, Swaroop Developer you can also say. So it's a wonderful project, and they have completed all the projects in time. So friend, this is the location map, and you see over here, this is Ghatkopar Link Road. So when you see the Link Road, exactly when you come down below over here, this is the plot over here, and this plot is around not more than 2.5 acres. So 2.5 acres for one building is sufficient, and this is the plot over here, and this building is ready. Swaroop Residency is ready to occupy. So this is the location over here, and this is Ghatkopar Link Road. Exactly side of this Link Road, this is the yellow color plot over here. This is how the plot is. It's a square plot, and this is around 2.5 acre plot, which is having combination of A and B wing. And this both the buildings is habitual 14-story tower, and 2 levels of podium parking has been given, and whatever the amenities developer is providing on the podium level, above the podium level. So this is amenities on the 3rd level of podium level. So this is the master layout of the floor plan of B wing and B2. So when you see B wing is having 2 wings are there in B wing, each with 4 flats over here. Each with 4 flats over here with combination of 1 and 2 BHK. Again, A wing is having 1, 2, 3 and 4 flats over here, and 1, 2, 3, 4 flats this side over here. So this side 4 flat, and this side 4 flat. So this is A1 and this is A2 wing. So 8 flats are there in A wing and 8 flats are there in B wing in each floors with a combination of 1 and 2 BHK. So in home amenities, you have granite flooring in entire flat, POP finished wall, plastic paint of reputed brands, anodized aluminum sliding windows with tinted glass, concealed copper wiring with decorative and branded switches, internal wooden doors with laminate finish, granite platform in kitchen with stainless steel sink, designer tiles in bathroom, premium quality bathroom fittings. So all the fittings and CP and sanitary and taps and locks and doors and wirings, everything will be a branded fittings in this building, in this complex. And as it is, the building is ready, the flat is ready. You have to just enter the flat, see the actual flat and make the payment and buy the flat. All the banks are approved. You can take loan from any bank for this project. And amenities around you are having designer entrance lobby. So wonderful lobby has been given over here. The luxurious design building with a very well decorated lobby and well designed lobby and earthquake resistance RCC structure, building exterior in waterproof acrylic paint, two high speed passenger lift of reputed brand like Otis, Schindler's in each wing has been given, and there is a fully equipped gym has been provided in this complex. So you can see how the branded fittings has been given in this building, right from the lift to the flat painting and everything. So these are some of the ongoing projects, which is Petra Tower at Bhandup West. Then there is Coliseum, which is again at Bhandup West. And there is Swarup Aditya Avenue, which is at Andheri East. So these are some of the projects which are ongoing projects by Swarup developer. So the ecosystem, when you see over here, the ecosystem that is the closest to this RCT Mall are Odeon Mall and K-Star Mall, and other facilities when you see over here, Godrej Memorial Hospital, Rajawadi Hospital, Ashirwad Heart Hospital. Then again in schools, there is Guru Nanak English High School, VS Gurukul Technical High School and Junior College, then Garoda International Center, Shivaji Shikshan Sanstha Multipurpose Technical High School, Marathi High School. So lots of schools are there in this surrounding area, and in the vicinity when you see within 1 minute there is Ghatkopar Bus Depot, 35 minutes there is Fort via Eastern Freeway, 25 minutes Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, 15 minutes is from Bandra Kurla Complex, 5 minutes to Santa Cruz Chembur Link Road, and 5 minutes to Ghatkopar Metro Station, and 1 minute to proposed Lakshmi Nagar Metro Station. So these are all the ecosystem which is very close by to the complex, and this building is developed by Swarup developer, or you can also say Swarup Group. So friend, when you see the floor plan over here, they have different sizes of 1 BHK and 2 BHK flats. So we have building also, which is an SRA building, which is a different plot, and this plotting area is different, and this sale building is different. So definitely this building will be different from the SRA plotting. But in SRA, they have few FSI which was left over there in this building, which was left. So they have taken the FSI in SRA building. So those who want a flat in reasonable rate, one room kitchen, that is 350 carpet, which is only 72 lakhs. So which includes your stamp duty, registration and society development charges. So if you want a smaller flat, not exactly smaller, but it is 350 square feet carpet area. So for that, it is available in 72 lakhs in other building, which is an SRA building. But you want flats in these buildings over here. So they have different sizes. So 1 BHK 485 is 1 crore 15 lakhs, which includes your stamp duty, registration and society development charges. And 2 BHK 765 carpet area is 1.85 CR, which includes your stamp duty, registration and society development charges. And 2 BHK 808 square feet is 1.95 CR, which includes your stamp duty, registration and society development charges. So for 808 square feet carpet area, you are getting for 195, which includes all your other cost. That means the flat cost would be somewhere around 175 to 180. So I think so it could be around 180. So I think so it's a very best deal in Ghatkopar East, near railway station, very well developed area where the ecosystems is very well developed. And in this area, if you are getting in this reasonable rate, and that also ready building, brand new buildings, then definitely you should jump for it and take the opportunity of buying a ready flat in Ghatkopar East. So friends, I will show you the sample flat video after this clip. And for booking, you can call me on my number 7400138561. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to this channel, because sharing is caring. And see you again with one more developer, one more project very soon. Thank you for watching this presentation. Bye bye. Take care.
A world within my reach is a world I want. A world of comfort and accessibility. A world where my family can relax and reinvent all what is past and glide with the waves of the future. Enjoy this gift of life to its fullest. Welcome to Swaroop Residency, a premium luxury project by Swaroop Group. Swaroop Group, building relations since 1969. Swaroop Group has successfully constructed more than 1 million square feet of residential, commercial and hospitality spaces, thereby establishing themselves over time as one of the superior lifestyle providers. Located in the heart of Ghatkopar, Swaroop Residency is at a walking distance from the Eastern Express Highway. Reaching BKC in 15 minutes through the Santa Cruz Chembur Link Road and down in 35 minutes via the new Eastern Freeway. Swaroop Residency is at 5 minutes proximity to the new metro terminal and bang opposite to the Ghatkopar bus depot. Swaroop Residency is widely connected to the rest of the city by all modes of transport. Swaroop Residency soars 16 stories up into the city skyline and gives you the privilege of a nested enclave with an array of conveniences, offering spaciously designed 1 BHK and 2 BHK apartments. With a superior earthquake-resistant design using quality materials and fixtures, Swaroop Residency is an oasis of luxury, admiring a panoramic skyline view. Commute your daily travels from the metro or the Eastern Freeway, both being equidistant from your home. With 3 levels of stacked multi-car park and shopping at ground floor, living on Swaroop Residency is elevated high to shelter you from external elements. The entrance lobby is a welcoming note monitored by security personnel and 24-hour surveillance camera system. Majestically designed, the lobby truly greets you a salute. Zoom up on reputed speedy elevators. Spaciously designed interiors are the soul of the project. The spaces are well lit and airily ventilated. Relax at home in the lap of comfort. Kitchens are well nourished for cooking all season flavors. Rest your night away to bliss in the grand master bedroom. Designed for the club elite, Swaroop Residency offers 2 levels of fitness and social gathering spaces, topped with an indoor recreational sports area. For the sports enthusiast, there is a fully equipped gym. At Swaroop Residency, your celebrations and events just got livelier with the banquet hall. Discover comfort par excellence and revive your day-night routine. The project is designed with all environment and safety factors taken into consideration to grant you a good night's sleep. Live the good life with all its splendors you deserve at Swaroop Residency, a project by Swaroop Group.